door right here. We're going to start off, dunk, dunk, slap, slap. We're going to start in the mid inlay panels first. Apply your product. Apply the paint first. Into the middle, long feather strokes to get it all the way to the edge, to get the brush strokes in there and the bristles to make graining with the latex product. Inlay, apply the product first. That's the sound of the brush. Apply the product first. Now the brush strokes get lighter and you hear less of them. Hear the difference? Okay, hear the difference of this one. Apply the product first. Lighter and lighter. Hear the brush get lighter. Okay, do your middle pieces. Do your top piece. Feather over it lightly. Kneel down. Do your next panel. Apply the product first. Do this piece. Hear what it sounds like? I'm applying it. It sounds a lot. Now I'm not applying it, I'm feathering it. The change of the sound. Do your middle piece. Let's do this panel. Hear the difference of applying the product? I'm applying it. Now hear the difference. Light strokes. Okay, do your middle piece. Do the bottom piece. Feather over your work. Open the door a little bit. These two pieces of trim are different. We don't whack them at the same time. We cut it in. We want to cut this piece in. We don't want the door sticking and drying closed. Feather over your work. Blend it all in, feather it, long strokes. Do this one. These are old skeleton key doors. I'm going to cut in around that. Continue up the rail. Apply the product first. And then feather over your work. Stand up. Finish off the side rail. Cut it in. Feather over your work. Nice long strokes all the way down. Give it that graining texture. Finish your side rail over here. Nice long stroke all the way back down. There you go. Let's look at that. You just completed another door, professionally painted the way it's properly done for paneled doors. Stand by for more exciting 101 videos.